Yes, start 1 minute. Wait, I will call you. Where is water bottle? Okay, I think here is water bottle. First of all, I would like to drink water because I feel thirsty in this time, so that's why. Again, I came in front of you with a new video, everybody. So let's get started without wasting time. So today, you know that who will come? You know that? Please guess. Who will come? So that's why please comment in the comment box who will come in front of you today. So today we will talk to each other in English language and new student will come in front of you. So be ready and just hold your horses. Have a patience and let's get started without wasting time. Thank you. Now I'm calling to you Pranav. So Pranav, please come. Please Pranav, come. Hello Pranav, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
You are fine. So thanks for coming here.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. So please take your seat, Pranav.
Sir,
Okay, welcome. Nice. So Pranav, how are you?
I'm fine.
Fine, very good. And how is your health?
My health is awesome.
Awesome, very good. And how old are you?
I'm 14
In
years
which
old.
class do you study?
I'm reading class 8.
Nice. So are you ready or not?
Yes, sir, I'm ready.
Ready?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Do you have any problems?
No, sir, I don't.
Are you hesitate?
No, sir, I don't.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Are you comfortable?
Yes, sir, I'm comfortable.
Very good, nice, no problem. Very good. So first of all, I would like to you tell me what's your introduction. Can you introduce yourself or not? Just then you will have to speak very fastly. Clear or not clear?
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
First of all, thanks for asking to me. My name is Varnakwa. I'm from Jharkhand. Basically, I belong to Devgarh and I am 46 years old. And as far as my family study background is concerned, that I did complete my 8th class. Then I from Suparva Shiksha Stali. Now my preparation is going on 9th class from Suparva Shiksha Stali. And as far as my family background is concerned, that I have 7 members in my family and I am elder one in my family. And I want to become an engineer. I like to study. Thank you, that's it.
Very good, Parnav. So it was your introduction, Parnav?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good, nice. What date is it today?
It is 5th August today.
Okay, and what day is it today?
It is Tuesday today.
It is Tuesday today. Okay, you tell me you are learning English language. You have learned English language?
I'm learning.
You are learning English language. Okay, do you have any ideas like when did you join these classes? English
Yes, sir. I have any ideas about
When did you join this class?
26 June 2024.
Oh my God! Almost you are speaking that 1 year has completed.
Yes, sir.
Oh my God! 1 year has completed, and he is learning from 2024, or right now it is going on 2025. Okay, so almost it has completed 1 years, but it's okay, no problem, because English, it's a language, or language is just like it's a piece of cake. I try to make it's a piece of cake, so you know that already. If you want to speak English language, if you want to study about the English language, if you have any problems about your English language, and you want to talk to each other, and you want to do anything, and you want to then you can join this institute and you can enroll this institute. So definitely I will teach you in English language very confidently and in front of the people. So thanks for asking. So Pranav, so first of all I would like to you, can you give some suggestion why do you choose this institute, like, and why you are learning in this time English language, and what's your need? So can you explain about this or not?
Thanks for asking to me. First of all, I don't know how to speak English language,
Okay.
and I don't know read book and write English. So that's why I joined these classes.
Okay, he's like this, how to speak English language, so that's why you join these English classes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So it's okay Pranav, very good. So who is your English teacher?
My English teacher is Mr. Lanu Azad.
Mr. Lalman Ajat. Very good. So which institute you are studying in English language?
My institute name is Panchmukhi Institute Devgarh.
Where is located Panchmukhi Institute? Do you have any ideas?
No, I repeat again.
Yes, sir.
Income Tax Office, never Bradkay School.
Nearby.
Nearby Bradkay School.
Okay, now Panchmukhi Institute is located at Krishnapuri. You know that already, guys, at Krishnapuri. And then you can visit. Do you have any ideas about your teacher or not?
Yes, sir. I have an ideas about my teacher. First of all, thanks for asking to me. My teacher name is Mr. Lalmohan Azad. He teach me English language and he is good teacher
Very good.
and he is from Bihar. Basically, he belongs to Devghar and I don't know. In this time, I forget it. I repeat again.
Yes, of course, why not?
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
He taught 5,000 children taught.
अरे बाबा रे हंसी लगा करके मारेगा. Oh my God. It's okay now speak. It's okay, no problem. Okay, do you have any ideas about this institute or not?
Yes, I have an ideas about this
Now
institute.
speak fastly.
And this time I forget it, sir. I feel
All topics has forgetted. So what you speak, all the things you have like forgetted it and what you will speak. Okay, it's okay. No
I am
problem.
hesitate, sir.
You are hesitate. You are going to hesitate. It's okay, no problem. I know. Okay, my God, what I asked you. It's okay. Now I'm going. फोन बज रहा है.
My phone is ringing.
अच्छा पंखा चालू है.
Fan is on.
मेरा दिल टूटा हुआ है.
My heart is
मेरी माँ
broken.
खाना बना रही होगी.
What? Repeat again, please.
मेरी माँ खाना बना रही होगी.
My mother is. My mother will have cooking food.
मेरी माँ खाना बना रही होगी.
My mother will have cooking food. Will be cooking food.
मेरी माँ खाना बना चुकी होगी.
My mother has cooked food.
My mother has.
Cook food.
My mother खाना बना चुकी है. My mother has cooked food. So, Parna, what are you speaking in this time? You are speaking all the sentences wrong. Okay, are you hesitant? You want to drink some water? You want to drink some water? Okay, you tell me. First of all, मुझे बोतल में पानी है.
There is water into the water.
बोतल खाली है.
Water is empty.
बोतल भरा हुआ है.
Water is full.
फुल. आप बोतल में आधा पानी है.
There is half water into the water. Unscrew the
लगा
cap.
दीजिए.
Screw the
बोतल का दाम
cap.
कितने रुपया है?
This is the right price in the water.
In the bottle.
नहीं. Of the water.
What is the right price of this bottle? 100 रुपये इसका दाम है.
It is 100 rupees.
ये लीजिए 100 रुपया.
Take this
मुझे
100
दीजिए.
rupees. Give me
100
100
रुपये का क्या
rupees.
करोगे?
What do you have 1
What-
crore? What are you doing now 100? What will do 100?
What you will do?
सबका
Oh my God. Oh my God. You are going to hesitate. Why? I think everybody you know that ना. You don't practice at your home.
Yes, I am practicing.
No, not. I am practice. मैं practice हूँ. You can say you can speak. I practice sir. Yeah, I do practice at my home.
Yes.
Thank you. Okay. So thanks for coming here, Sparnav. We will talk next time. I will talk to you later. Clear now? So I think your interview was not good. Just then try to speak in English language because you have completed I think 1 year. So that's why then you should complete all the concept and you should practice at your home to more and more time. Clear or not clear?
Yes, sir.
So thank you. Okay, then you can go. Welcome. So look everybody. Who was he? I have already taught all the sentences, all the rules. But again, he was not able to how to speak in English language. So how is it possible? So I think he should practice more and more time. Clear now? So if you want to speak in English language again, then you can join our classes, English classes. And if you have any problems, if you want to speak in English language, so please you can enroll our institute. Thank you. Thanks for coming here. Thanks for watching my video. So next time we will talk about anything. So please, who has not subscribed to my YouTube channel, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video and comment in the comment box. Thank you. We will talk about later. Welcome.